paddle.
Oh, that's going down right away. I don't like the odds on that one. Down he goes.
You got it. Here, go like this.
Well, this fella's seems to be. Uh-oh. All right, we got another victim. Down she goes. Down to Davy Jones' locker.
Well, today they spent a lot of the time planning and building our cardboard boats. They grouped up in teams and each worked at creating all these masterpieces that you see.
It's like they're getting ready to
they're
launch.
Coming to get them. We're going to start launching them here in just a few minutes. They spent some other time over here in the field. We've got water inflatables set up. Had pretty much just a water day, but with still a little education mixed in, unbeknownst to them. So
sneaking in a little education.
When you can do it in a fun way, that's the best way to do it. These kids don't even know they're learning and dabbling in engineering and science, flotation science. So it's been a great day.
I don't know about that name right there. That's a good omen.
Well, we had one last year that made it all the way across the pool without sinking or flipping. I see a few that's got potential to do that again.
And this is kind of the grand finale then, isn't it?
It is. This is the last day of the last hoorah of another great summer camp. I can't express my gratitude for Rural Health. They were a generous sponsor. The Brighter Horizons YMCA made over 250 lunches this week for all of our kids, Monday through Thursday. We had pizza today.
Okay.
But and then the 4-H Hawkins County Extension.
Right.
Their work this week has been phenomenal, as it was last year. They're so great, creating fun activities that kids really enjoy. But again, are educational and they benefit not just for fun. I mean, they get something out of it. This is our second year of doing camp, and I expect this to just be better and better every year. This is so needed. These kids love it. The counselors love it. It's good for them.
I guess we better go see if the Titanic's going to sink or float.
We're getting ready to launch, so let's go have fun.
All right. She's going.
Ready? Scoot up. Set. Go.
You don't need that. Keep coming. That's just slowing you down.
It's the bottle. It's getting water in it. You're gonna make it.
You only got a little ways to go.
Come on, buddy. Let's go.
Paddle like the wind.
It's just there. Here, I'll go ahead and grab that.
Yeah, that was just slowing you down. You didn't need that.
Come on, baby. Just a little closer. You want this, Tyler?
Dig it. Dig hard. All right, you made it. You got to go back now.
I gotta go back.
It's a relay.
Good. It's a relay. Go back.
Good job, man. Good job. All right, I got to get your name. You're the winner of the first round. What's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler what?
Drennan.
Drennan?
Yeah.
From Rogersville?
Yeah.
Good job. Tell me about your boat. How'd you make it happen?
I don't know. I don't even know.
You don't even know. You just made it. I think it was the hat.
I think so.
The hat gave you aerodynamic.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. He's trying to block you.
Go, Aiden, no, Aiden, paddle on this side.
Push him away from you.
Paddle on this side.
I got a bad feeling about your boat.
Here, come this way.
You're listing to one side there. Way to go, buddy. Way to go. Way to go. Good job. You made it.
Okay, hop out.
That was awesome.
No, we need to go back over there.
We'll get to you. Y'all go ahead and swim back over there.
Good job.
Hop out.
Oh my gosh, the Titanic. Go Titanic, go. Oh, we've had a failure already. Oh. He's going down with the ship.
Oh no, it's the Titanic. It's sinking all over again. Go Carson! Go Carson!
And the Titanic didn't even make it out of the starting gate.
Go Carson!
Look at that, he's got propulsion. Some kind of jet propulsion.
Carson, you have our color now. Here's I told you.
You won.
Good job.
I did!
You didn't even need help. You don't. There's not even a drop of water in that boat.
Another iceberg.
I saw that.
The problem was they called it the Titanic. If they called it anything else,
It would,
it would have
any other name.
it would have been fine. But they just called it the Titanic. And how they sunk that was their mistake.
Yeah. Oh, we got another automatic sinker. Didn't make it far. Abandoned ship.
That means it's where your journey is going to be. But it'll make a new creation. When is it?
He's doing good. It's still staying above water. Oh no! That's not even fair. He's moving. His boat might not make it.
He's scooping water out.
Aaron, get out of the pool. No, get out of the pool. Where is that?
Oh no! So close. So close.
Get out.
What do you think you could have done differently?
Did we win? Take the edges off. Zachary, you were that close.
You almost made it. It was your paddling that almost got you here.